Hi my friends, it's James here with DreamScapes. This is a bit of a comprehensive tour of one of our recent dreamscapes that we've created. This is a 70-foot long pondless waterfall with drought-tolerant plantings that we've created. We brought in about 150,000 pounds of stone for this project. And anybody who comes into this location, this is what they see when they drive in. Absolutely stunning. Our plant selections are just beautiful. I mean, they've really filled in incredibly well for just a few months of growth.